Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I decided to start this new thing called, like, I don't know what to call it yet, the series, but it's gonna be recipes that I find on Pinterest, and I'm gonna test them out for the first time and see if they work or if they don't. This morning I did an awesome chocolate cake. It was flourless, keto, of course, but I didn't record it. I will next time though. It was really good. It was a win-win. Okay, so today I'm gonna try keto corn dogs. Yes, I miss corn dogs. I miss cornbread, but we're gonna make it work. So I seen this recipe. It was very simple, very simple to make. So I'm gonna try it. Okay, so the first ingredient was an egg. So let's go ahead and crack it in there. Okay, we'll put that in there. And it was also 1 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 3 because most likely I'll need 3. So just 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Can't believe I'm actually following a recipe. I never do, so I'm gonna try and do it today. And it was a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which I'm assuming we need so that I'm so looking forward to this. I hope this works because, like I said, I miss corn dogs. And it's also a 1/2 cup of almond flour. My almond flour, I always get questions about where I get it from. I always get it from Walmart. And it's about 7 something for this bag. So it's not bad. It is 32 ounces. It's 2 pounds of almond flour for 7 something. Oh wait. Yeah, I think it is like $7 or $8. It's not bad at all. And that's it. And you're gonna mix it together. So let me get a spoon. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that together. Now the recipe said this was only for 2 corn dogs. I have hungry boys, so I don't know. I'm just gonna do it how it says, and if later on I feel like it did work, I can go ahead and make more. Okay. So this is how the batter looks. So just mixing that together. Okay, so the next step is, put that here, is I need some coconut flour because we're gonna need to coat the hot dog in flour first before we dip it into that batter. So we just need some coconut flour, and I'm gonna put it on this plate here. Excuse me. And excuse me if the lighting isn't too good. I'm still working on that. I'm trying to find a space where I can go ahead and make videos and the lighting will be better. Okay, so just how about that much is fine. You just need some on the plate. You don't need to measure it. So here are the hot dogs, and of course you need skewers. These are all huge. These are some that I had for shish kebabs, but so you skewers, okay? And of course, I got Oscar Mayer hot dogs. So what it says to do is first, you're going to grab the hot dog and you're gonna coat it in coconut flour like this. And you need to do that because if not, the batter is not gonna stick to the hot dog, and that goes with anything. Like when I'm making chilerenos, you need to coat it. The batter is not gonna stick to the hot dog because it's kind of moist and wet. It's kind of gross. So it's not gonna stick to it. So you need to do this step first because if you don't, it's like I said, the batter is just gonna slide off of the hot dog. So I think I can coat probably like 3 hot dogs with this batter. What do you think? I'm gonna try and coat 3 hot dogs with it. Okay. So this is how they look, nice and coated. I'm trying to think if I should, okay. So I'm gonna cook them in coconut oil. And see how that turns out. So I'm just putting the skewer on here. Like I said, I miss corn dogs, so I'm hoping this works. Just making sure it's all coated. And there you go. Okay, now I'm just gonna try and coat them. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see. See, even with the coconut flour, it's not really coating that well. So let's see. What I might have to do, let's see. Sorry, I have the sniffles. I don't know if it's allergies or just Chicago weather because Chicago weather stinks right now. Okay, so yeah, no, this is not okay. I'm gonna coat it as best I can, and then hopefully with the frying it will stick on there. Okay, so this is messy. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my skewer and put it back in. See, it's not sticking like at all. I hope this isn't a fail, guys. I hope this isn't a fail, but we shall see. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna get my pot ready. Okay guys, so I'm still trying to coat this hot dog. It's just not working. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pan and let's see what happens. I was hoping this wasn't gonna be a fail, but it's just not coating. So okay, so I dropped it in there and let's see what happens. I coated it in almond flour to see if that made a difference. It didn't. So once this is done, I will show you what it looks like. Here is the finished product of these low-carb keto corn dogs. It was a pain, I'm not even gonna lie. The batter itself took 5 minutes, not even to make, but getting the batter to stick on the hot dogs was such a challenge. So here's how they look. I'm anxious to see how they taste. How do people eat corn dogs? Mustard, maybe? Ketchup? Who knows? I'm just gonna actually take a bite of it like that and see how it looks. Okay, and then if you try these, you need to be really careful. Like, the breading comes off like right away, so you need to be really careful. Taste test. Time for that. Hold on. Okay. I don't know if you guys noticed that box of donuts that is somewhere here. Yes, there. That's not my fault though. My cousin bought those, but I would have to say this might be a fail. It tastes okay, but it doesn't taste like a corn dog. I don't know. I wouldn't do these again. Sorry, Pinterest. You didn't impress me this time. Usually it kind of works out. Today it didn't. Sorry.